In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image overlay in Webflow. This is a simple but very effective design technique that can instantly make your website look cleaner, more modern, and more professional. Image overlays are commonly used to improve the visibility of text placed over photos, while also adding extra depth and style to a design. So, if you want your website sections to stand out more visually, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in an easy and beginner-friendly way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to webflow.com. Sign into your account using your login details, and once you successfully enter the platform, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is where all your projects and websites are organized and managed. From there, head over to the area where your sites are displayed. Find the specific project where you want to apply the image overlay effect. Move your cursor over the site, then click the option to open it inside the Webflow Designer. After the editor loads, you'll be taken directly into the visual canvas where you can begin editing your web page. Next, select the image that you want to enhance with an overlay. This will be the photo that receives the additional colored layer on top. Once the image is selected, look toward the left side panel and click the plus icon to access the Elements menu. At the top of that panel, use the search field and type in div block. Drag the div block directly onto the image itself. This element will act as the overlay layer. Now move over to the right side settings panel, where all the styling controls are located. Find the positioning settings and change the positioning option to absolute. This step is important because it allows the overlay to sit perfectly on top of the image without affecting the surrounding layout of your page. After setting it to absolute, more positioning controls will appear underneath. Select the full option so the div block stretches across the entire image area automatically. This ensures the overlay completely covers the image from corner to corner with no empty spaces. Then scroll down until you locate the background settings. Here, you can customize the appearance of your overlay by choosing any color you want. You can go with darker tones for better text readability or softer shades for a subtle visual effect. You can also adjust the transparency level to control how visible the original image remains underneath the overlay. And that's it! You've successfully created a clean and professional image overlay in Webflow that can improve both the appearance and readability of your website design. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.